Hello, everyone. My name is Angie Jaramillo. I am a junior at Mercy College, and I'm here to present my research on the impact of blended online learning on help-seeking behaviors in undergrad bio students. So, help-seeking behaviors is just the process of students seeking help from either peers, faculty, or professors. I fall under the peer category because I am part of PLTL, which is just a supplemental workshop. It stands for peer-led team learning. So, as peer leaders, we lead a workshop every once a week, 40 minutes, like I said, and it just helps solidify the concepts going on during lecture. So during these workshops, we do a diagram model, which you can see here. And pretty much using these models, we will evaluate student performances on the quizzes we also give out, the diagrams itself, and of course, their ability to actively seek out resources for the class. So during these sessions, we start off with a pre-quiz, which is in figure 3A. It's about 5 questions, takes them 5 to 10 minutes to complete, and it just gives them a start of where they're at. And then once this is completed, we go into the diagram. It takes them about 20 minutes. We encourage student discussion. They discuss with us. We just come together and talk about things. And once they're done, or if they get stuck on a certain point, us peer leaders take over and we just go over the diagram, ask them questions, ask them why they thought this one over here or this one over there. And it's just a great discussion. And then at the end, we just go back to this post quiz and give them the same questions and see if they learned or not. And then, of course, we also gave a questionnaire to students asking about their experience with PLTL to further our data collection. So in the results here in figure 4A, I took the average scores of the pre and post quizzes for my group, and we can see for each chapter that the post quiz scores are higher than the pre quiz scores. So this leads me to believe that the diagrams are helping the students. I also asked the question on whether they've been able to strengthen their study skills. You can see in figure 4B that 50% of students have agreed that they have strengthened their study skills, which then again just shows that the diagrams are working. So overall, our diagrams are helping students, but there's also room for improvement as well. We can add definitely more pictures, add more visual appeal, possibly conduct a small review of the topic before the diagram as well. We can go over more definitions, build a better sense of concepts. And overall, my team and I are just brainstorming and we're working on how we can improve this. And overall, online blended learning has affected students' help-seeking behaviors in a positive manner. I would like to thank Dr. Zhou, my research mentor, for allowing me to take part in this, and also uh, Dan and Emily from Team STEM, who allow students like us to take part and mold students' academic journeys. I hope you guys enjoyed my research, and I can't wait to answer any questions. Thank you.